how to pin YouTube to the taskbar on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to add YouTube as a shortcut directly on your taskbar for quick access. First, open your browser on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to YouTube by typing youtube.com in the address bar and pressing enter. At this point, once YouTube is open, click on the three dots at the top right of your browser to open the browser menu. From there, hover over More Tools or Save and Share, depending on your browser. After that, click on Create Shortcut or Add to Taskbar, if the option is available. In the next step, a prompt will appear asking you to name the shortcut. Leave it as YouTube or rename it, and click on Create. From there, once the shortcut is created, right-click on it from your desktop or Start menu. Click on Pin to Taskbar to add it to your taskbar. Once done, check your taskbar at the bottom and confirm the YouTube shortcut is now pinned there. Finally, click on the YouTube shortcut in your taskbar to confirm it opens correctly and takes you straight to YouTube. And that's it. If this guide helped you pin YouTube to your taskbar on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.